Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. In this video I show you 3 beautiful autumn room decor items you can easily create yourself. We will make some cute pumpkins out of concrete, a magic Moonphase Mobile and a little witch's hat as a cute jewelry dish. First, let's start with the concrete pumpkins. You will need some old stockings, some rubber bands, scissors, some branches and hot glue, as well as the concrete. We will mix our own with cement, sand and water. If you got ready to go craft concrete, skip to 1 minute and 17 seconds. To create the concrete, we mixed 1 part cement with 2 equal parts of sand, and then added enough water to create a paste-like texture. If your concrete is ready, get your stockings and cut the ends with the foot off. This will be the part we will fill with concrete next. While you fill up your stockings, make sure to press out the water. The more water is in the mixture in the end, the longer the drying process will be. If you got your shape and size of pumpkin you would like, tie a knot to close the stocking. Next, take the rubber bands and place them around the stocking to create the shape of the pumpkin. Now the concrete has to dry fully. For me it took about 3 days. Then you remove the stocking and the rubber bands and collect some sticks for the stem of the pumpkins. Make sure they are the right size. I did cut mine to fit my little pumpkins the best. Now take the glue gun and add some glue in the middle of the pumpkin to place the stick. Then your little concrete pumpkins are done. I am absolutely obsessed how cute they turned out. The next autumn DIY is a little witchy hat as a jewelry dish. This DIY is super simple. We only need some air drying clay and some paint. I used my Posca paint markers because I couldn't find my other paints. First, form a circular shape for the base of the hat. And then a little pointy cone for the upper part. Now add both parts together and let them dry for 24 hours or whatever time is named on your air drying clay. After the air drying clay is fully dried, you can start the painting process. I've chosen black for the base color and then added a red ribbon and some white stars for the details. Here you can get absolutely creative, how you would like it best. Our third autumn room decor DIY is the Moonphase Mobile. For this you will need some twine, glue and scissors, as well as a wooden ring. I used a cheap embroidery hoop, 2 prints of these moon phases. The picture I use here is from Unsplashed. I will leave a link in the description down below to the photo. First, we have to cut out all the moon phases. Then measure 4 pieces of string. And glue the opposite moons on the ends of the same string. That's why I did lay out the moon phases in this kind of circle to exactly know which one have to go on the same string. The ones I am gluing together here are always the same. If the moon spins in the mobile later, the picture shows the same phase on the front as well as on the back. When all your strings are prepared, loop them around the wood ring to determine their place before tying the final knot. When all the faces are in the right place, I took a longer string and tied it to the middle to create a loop that you can hang the mobile from on the top, as well as to create a longer string in the middle where I glued the biggest moon of the photo to. When everything is glued down, your moon phase decor is ready to be displayed. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY tutorial. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to join me on my creative journey.